你怎么了呀？别提了，我觉得作为一个中文老师，我不会说中文了。
老师，请给我1分钟。
你应该说等我1分钟，不是给我1分钟。
请给我1分钟。
哎，上次我们说是等我1分钟，对吧？等我1分钟。
3 weeks later.
我的朋友说，给我1分钟，我马上就来。我说好的。
Many months later.
喂，哎，好的好的，我马上就准备好了，给我1分钟啊。Hello everyone, welcome back to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. As you can see, I always notice the same mistakes that my students are constantly making, from beginners right through to advanced level students. There are just some common mistakes that you are keep making again and again, and then they become bad habits. Even me, a native Chinese-speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. You see how powerful the habits are? I mean, even me, a native-speaking Chinese teacher, can be imperceptibly influenced by my non-native student, let alone you guys who don't have a strong language instinct of Chinese. So in this video, I'm going to show you some common mistakes that my students are constantly making, and they may be your bad habits too. I will show you the wrong sentences first, and you will have 5 seconds to find out the mistakes. And don't forget to tell me in the comment how many you've got correctly. Are you ready? Let's get started. 给我1分钟. Does it mean give me 1 minute? Actually, you need to say 等一下, 等一会儿, or 等我1分钟. Or you can also add 请 at the beginning or add at the end as a softener to make it more polite. So you can say 请等一下, 请等一会儿, 等我1分钟啊. All those sounds perfectly fine in English. 给我1分钟 will instantly make a Chinese person think of a door-to-door salesperson. 你好，我是说说中文的小李，请问您需要学习汉语吗？哦，不需要，请等一下，请您给我1分钟，让我向您证明说说 Chinese 的神级。最近下雨很多。It rains a lot recently. It makes so much sense that I'm this close to feel it is correct. But I need to tell myself, it is not. 很多 means a big quantity, not a high frequency. So you can say, 我吃的很多. But to show the high frequency, you use 经常 or 常常. 最近经常下雨。最近常常下雨。他们常常吵架。最近我们经常见面。Also, heavy rain. We don't say 很重的雨 of course. We can say 很大的雨。外面下着很大的雨。外面下着很大的雨。现在你的城市下着很大的雨吗？在评论里告诉我吧。兴趣 is a noun. It means interest. 有兴趣 or 感兴趣 to have interest, to feel interest. You may have guessed that we need a preposition here. But what is that? I'm interested in Chinese. I'm interested in you. It feels like it pointing to a certain target. It's like a one direction arrow. In this kind of situation, 对 is the preposition we need to use. So, 我对中文感兴趣。我对中文感兴趣。我对他不感兴趣。我对他不感兴趣。Or you can also say, 我对他没有兴趣。Unlike we just talked about, 同意 means agree or agree with, which means 同意 already had the preposition in itself. So you never say 我跟你同意. You need to say 我同意你. I agree with you. I don't think I need to make a whole video talking about the difference between 有点儿 and 一点儿 because they're really simple. Listen carefully. 有点儿 or 有一点儿 is used before an adjective, and most of the time the adjective is a little bit negative. For example, 今天我有点忙，我有点累，我有点困。Dare not to yawn. So you can see that 有点 or 有一点 can be translated as a little bit too. It's a little bit too expensive. I'm a little bit too busy recently. While 一点 is used before a noun, and it shows the small amount. For example, 我想喝一点儿啤酒。我学过一点儿中文。And 一点儿 can be also used after an adjective. I will give you the example sentences first. 你太矮了。我喜欢高一点的男人 which is not true. 这件衣服太大了，有小一点的吗？ You can see that adjective plus 一点 means a little bit more, a little bit closer to what I expect. This is really the mistake that drives me crazy because though is never used before a noun. And if you put though before a noun, that just sounds so weird to a native Chinese person. So, 都人, 都国家, 都地方, 都朋友, please don't say them again. Always keep in mind that though should be put in front of a verb or an adjective, or more precisely, though is in front of the characteristic that the subjects share in common. What does that mean? Let's see this example. All my friends like watching TV. 我的朋友喜欢看电视。我的朋友 subjects. What they are in common is like watching TV. 喜欢看电视. So, though should be put here. 我的朋友都喜欢看电视。Likewise, 每个国家都有好人和坏人。每个国家都有好人和坏人。中国的很多城市都很有意思。中国的很多城市都很有意思。Alright, so these are all the common mistakes that I want to mention to you guys in this video. How many you've got correctly? Tell me in the comment. And also, do you have any bad habits that you know it, but you never corrected? also share with us in the comment. Maybe from today, after you left the comment, you can throw the bad habit away. So if you like this video, please hit on the thumbs up button, and have you subscribed to my channel? If not, subscribe now and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out the great chance to improve your Chinese. I'm Shuo from 说说中文. I will see you in my next video. 再见。